JZX is painted. How do you feel about this one, Samsquanch?
I feel extremely happy that it is red. Well, I'm happy that it's done.
Yeah, we're all happy it's done. This project has been a whole lot of things. Yeah, it's been a hard one, but it looks really good, and we're excited to see it red. Camera doesn't do it justice at all. Like, it just doesn't. It doesn't work.
Yeah, it's kind of sad. I keep trying to take pictures of it, and that doesn't work either.
Like, Samsquanch is getting pretty good at laying down the paint, man. The bumper ended up looking really good. It's like nice and bumpery. Okay, so the trouble about doing good body work is it's kind of like nothing happened.
Right. It's super unexciting. Look, it looks how it should have looked. No. Shit.
But yeah, we're pretty excited. The door jambs came out really good. They're not totally blended in, but this is still a drift car. It could go to an event in a week and get completely ruined, so we weren't going to paint all of the inside of the jams. We did that with Evan's car when we painted that, and it took so much time. It was ridiculous.
Probably would have added at least a couple more days to the project.
Yeah.
Which seems just stupid. And if you're a pro body guy and you're like, why? Please DM me and tell me how. Because we spent a lot of time taking the doors off, prepping the doors, getting the, I mean, there's a lot of tape work to do. Then you have to put it all back together. It just takes a long time, and I don't know how to make it take less time.
Yeah, if that's the most.
What's that?
Just a little bit of sad, but what do you do?
What, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really minor. There's kind of not a way to avoid it where this had to sit to look good.
Yep.
If we had some more experience with that, we could have built it custom. But, you know, all these things, we already took way too much time. You're supposed to do. Well, if you could have just, that's how come it took time that it did, because we could have just a bunch of shit.
And we could have just did a lot.
Yeah.
Like, there's so much stuff that we went way over the top.
This
on this car
almost brings a tear to my eye. It's so fucking good.
These are definitely the best fenders that we've created here.
I want to say we. I didn't do shit. I like trimmed and sanded stuff, but now we have like. Probably, honestly, what do you think? Like 4 or 5 more hours to put it back together? Probably.
I think a couple to 4.
I think it'll look like a car in a couple hours. But we've already been working on it for, we've probably got like 5 or 6 man hours in it already.
Yeah.
Just putting stuff together, putting the door panel back on, getting mirrors on, untaping stuff takes a while. I basically stopped painting this morning and cleaned the gun and started pulling tape, because if you wait, the tape will do bad things. You want to pull it when it's just super wet. So it's like the most stressful thing. It's the happiest and most stressful thing because you're trying not to touch anything and you're pulling the tape, so everything looks really good, but you realize if you flinch, oof.
Pictures to get the gold flake justice.
Good choice on that. This has totally got a coat of dust.
I bought from him at the time. Yeah. And spend my days.
I'll get out of yours in a bit. Trying to screw it and it just doesn't work. Bye. It's gonna feel weird not having it around, man. It's like an adopted child.
I'm sure they all are at some point, though, right?
It's up to you guys.
No fucks given, park in the middle of the damn road.
Yeah.
It's hard to hate him, man.
Yeah, he drive matches everything.
No, he drives well.
Shit.
What?
Up, he's like, dude, this is a sick Skyline. I was like, thanks, bro. Just drove.